In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use Perplexity AI Assistant on an Android device, right? You can see I have this Android interface right in front of me where we can use this for creating different type of images and stuff, and you can also do that. So how do you actually make your videos and stuff? So to do that, simply head over to this home section from where you can see we have this chat option. In here, I can type anything. So uh, can we use Perplexity on phone? I'm going to be asking him a question and press enter or simply type and do the thing, and you can see that's how easy it is. You can use it on your Android, iOS, whatsoever device. Simply download it from your actually not you can use the app and download that as well. So pretty easy, no rocket science. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and see you in the next video.